Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspiring Art Linkings. In this tutorial, we will guide you through drawing the Holy Quran from dots. A beautiful and symbolic representation. Begin by creating a grid of evenly spaced dots on your paper, forming the outline of the Quran. Connect the dots with straight lines to establish the basic shapes of the Quran. Take your time to ensure accuracy and precision in your lines. Next, add intricate details such as geometric patterns and calligraphy using smaller dots and lines. These details reflect the reverence and beauty of the Quran. Pay close attention to symmetry and balance to create a harmonious composition. Consider referencing images of the Quran for inspiration and guidance. Experiment with different designs and styles to personalize your drawing. As you work, reflect on the significance of the Quran and its teaching. Add final touches and embellishment to enhance the overall appearance of your drawing. Take pride in your creation and the effort you have put into it. Share your artwork with others to inspire and spread positivity. Remember to stay patient and persistent throughout the drawing process. Mistakes are natural, embrace them as opportunities to learn and improve. Enjoy the creative journey and the scene of accomplishment it brings. Above all, approaches this activity with reverence and respect for the Holy Quran. We hope this tutorial have inspired you to create your own meaningful representation of the Holy Quran. Thank you for joining us and don't forget to like and subscribe.